What if you could eliminate all pain points from tooling management? MRO Tools handles everything tooling related, from tracking usage and location to managing repairs and calibrations. It provides you with one software to handle all tools regardless of their type, size, location and manufacturer. MRO Tools helps you avoid maintenance delays due to tooling. You can plan your tooling inventory according to your maintenance schedule. In short, it improves your efficiency and reduces operating expenses. And the beauty of MRO Tools is that you can connect it to your existing M&E system or use it as a standalone solution. MRO Tools is for MROs who are looking for savings, increased efficiency and modern operations without the hassle of a huge ERP project. Book an appointment today and see how we can help you.